Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my subby and you're watching, thank you for your support. So guys, topic of today, we're going to talk about Ufifi Cooper, Naledi and Lwa Dlekulu. So Fifi Cooper recently bought herself iPhone 16. So Lwandle Kulu went to comment on Fifi Cooper's video and said trade in, and it made a lot of netizens wondering whether these two are friends or they just mates because they have a song together. So for her to comment something like that, it made people question themselves like, wow, like it shocked so many people, and people were actually laughing that that statement that was written by Lwandle Kulu. So some comments were like, does the pressure decrease or increase? It took you a whole month, guys. Yo, so they really came for her. Like people, they actually don't believe that Fifi Cooper didn't steal. The way the comments were like, it's like they do believe Naledi what she's saying about Fifi, because guys, they were actually even saying that when she gets out of the iPhone store, she shouldn't use reverse because now they know her. So yeah guys, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.